Hey everyone, if you've ever taken a photo and noticed it looked too yellow, too blue, or just off, that's called a color cast. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to fix color casts, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover two pretty quick fixes that will get the color back to normal, how it should have been from the start. Then you can make more adjustments if you need to in order to achieve your desired look and feel. As you can see in this photo, there is an overpowering yellow tint that's dominating the image. Color casts can happen for a number of reasons in all kinds of images. A photo might be yellow from indoor lighting, blue from shade, or cloudy days, or green from fluorescent lights. Sometimes you just can't control it. Our goal is to bring the colors back to neutral so whites look white and skin tones look natural. Our first and quickest method involves adding an adjustment layer. So the first thing we need to do is convert our layer to a smart object. We can do that a couple of ways. The easiest way is to control or right click on the layer and then go down to convert to smart object. From here we want to click on the adjustment layers button and then click on curves. This will add a curves adjustment layer. Once that's done, we're going to go to the properties for the curves layer. If you don't see it, you can go to window, down to properties, and it will open. Then you want to go up to the eyedroppers. There are 3 of them. We want to select the middle eyedropper. The middle dropper is used to set the gray or neutral point in the image. Now you want to pick something in the image that you know should be gray, like the handle of this leash. I'll pick the lighter section here and just click. And that's it. Your colors are fixed. If you want to fine tune it a little, you can move the left and right sliders in just a little bit to boost the contrast. And as always, you can add more adjustment layers later if you want to make any additional changes. So we just turn the eyeball on and off, and you can see the dramatic difference between the before and after. And that's method number 1. For method number 2, we'll use one of the most powerful tools in Photoshop, the Camera Raw filter. First, let me delete this. Now just go up to Filter, down to Camera Raw filter. This will open the Camera Raw interface. Once it opens, you want to click on the Color tab in the Edit section. So we're already in the Edit section. Those are these sections here. And now we need to click on Color. After it drops down, you want to select the eyedropper tool. Just click it once. And just like before, we're going to click on something gray or neutral. So again, we'll click on the handle of the leash. And while this did the same thing as the curves adjustment layer, this also has a lot more tools so that you can fine tune all of the color settings. This is one of the most accurate ways to fix color casts. And at any point, you can come down to the bottom right-hand corner and click this little icon, and it will show you the before and after. So you can fine-tune this a little bit by moving the temperature slider and the tint slider. If you wanted to add more blue or more yellow or more green or magenta, you can move these a little bit. We'll start by adding some more vibrance to bring a little color back. And then you can open the light tab for more settings. So I will decrease the exposure a little bit and maybe add a little contrast, and then take the shadows down and the blacks down just to get a little more depth. Then click the before and after again. And that looks so much better. And from here you can just click OK. And now it's added it to our smart object as a smart filter. So at any time you can double click on this and go back in and make more changes. And that's it. Those are 2 very quick and powerful ways to help with color cast on photos. One way is faster and one way gives you a lot more control. I hope that helped, and I'll see you next time.